Do you want to learn how to create a coloring book using just AI? Well, I'm here to help. My name is Islam. I am an animator, illustrator. I help creative people, parents, teachers like you create amazing educational content. So welcome to my channel and welcome to my video. In this video, I'll be showing how I created this coloring book. So without further ado, let's dive in. We'll visit our website. Links will be provided in the description. Once you go to our website, you go to the resource section to download this PDF. Once you download the PDF, you open the PDF. In this PDF, you will see a prompt. Copy this prompt and you go to ChatGPT. If you don't know how to get to ChatGPT, under this PDF, you will see a link to ChatGPT. Copy the prompt and you paste it in ChatGPT. This is where the magic happens. So ChatGPT asks you some couple of questions. So the first question ChatGPT will ask you is, how many pages would you like to create? So the amount of pages you would like to create will be determined by yourself. So for this video, I will put I think four pages. Then ChatGPT will go ahead and ask you a strong question. For each page, ChatGPT will ask you what animal you like to see on the page. Now that we're done answering, we click on enter and let's see what ChatGPT does. Okay, so ChatGPT will give us a 4 prompt. So each of these prompts will be used to create a page in the coloring book. So we go back to the PDF we downloaded. In this PDF, under the prompt, we will see 4 links. So these are links to different free AI generating tools. So we pick ImageFX. So you can decide to pick any, but for this video, we're using ImageFX. So we click on ImageFX and it's going to prompt you to register. Register using your Google. Very, very easy and straightforward. Once you register, it takes you to this page. So now we're in this page, we head back to ChatGPT. We copy the first prompt. We go back to ImageFX and we paste up. Then we click on generate. And there you have it. ImageFX will give you some options. So you scroll through, and I think for this I will use this. Okay, so you download it, but I will advise you create a folder. So let's create a folder and call the folder farm animals. Okay, then we save it in the farm animals folder. So we repeat this process again. Okay, so let me just show you how I will do the second one. So I go to ChatGPT, I've copied the second prompt, I head over to ImageFX and I paste this. So I click on generate, I scroll to, I think I'm going for this, I download it and I save it in our farm folder. So you repeat this process again until you're done generating your images. So now this is the last stage. This is where we combine everything together. So you still head back to the PDF you downloaded. Under it, you see a link named ILovePDF.com. So you click on ILovePDF.com. It takes you to this page and you scroll down where you see convert JPG to PDF. Okay, you click on it. Then you drag all the images you downloaded from the farm folder and you paste it. So you just follow my setting. So for this, I think I'll click on landscape and I scroll down and click on this and I click on this. So I click on generate. So it's going to take a couple of seconds and it doesn't download. You can just go ahead and click on download. So here you have it, your coloring book. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video was quite educative to you. But before we go, and say a big shout out to Tolu. He created a similar video and this is where I got the concept. So until next time, see you on my next video. Please do like and subscribe. And that's all for now.